If you are using the web version of diagrams.net, then whatever changes that you make right here gets auto-saved out right here. And you can see that whenever I go around and make changes, it says saving right here, meaning it is saving out the changes that I'm making right here. So it is auto-saving everything, and sometimes you don't want things to auto-save automatically. So sometimes you just may want to save things out manually, and in that case you can go around over here onto the extras menu and disable autosave. So once you do that, what happens is that whenever you make out some changes, the changes won't be auto-saved. So if you were to refresh it, that is, if you were to refresh out this diagram file, then nothing will be saved right here. But you can go around onto the top, and here it says unsaved changes, and you need to click on save manually for this to get saved out. And if you were to make out any further changes again, you can see that it says unsaved changes. If you want to enable out autosave once more, then just go to extras again and then go to autosave and then make out changes, and you can see that it starts saving out all of the changes automatically. And when it says saving, it is actually saving the file, and it has not completed saving. So you need to wait for a while until you see all changes saved to drive, and then once you see that, you can be sure that everything has been auto-saved. And that is how you can enable or disable autosave inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.